Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. The 2025 Honda Gold Wing Trike represents a significant evolution in three-wheeled touring motorcycles, building upon Honda's decades of expertise in creating premium long-distance machines. This model takes the already impressive Gold Wing platform and adapts it for riders who prioritize stability, comfort, and ease of handling without sacrificing the thrill of the open road. The Trike conversion has been engineered by Honda to maintain the Gold Wing's legendary smoothness while adding the confidence-inspiring benefits of an extra rear wheel. Riders can expect the same level of refinement and attention to detail that has made the Gold Wing a favorite among touring enthusiasts for generations. One of the most notable improvements in the 2025 model is the enhanced reverse gear system, which has been specifically tuned for the Trike's weight distribution. This makes maneuvering in tight spaces, such as parking lots or garages, significantly easier. The Trike's rear axle is built with durability in mind, featuring a reinforced design to handle the additional stresses of three-wheeled operation. Honda has also incorporated an updated traction control system that works in harmony with the Trike's stability control, ensuring optimal grip in various riding conditions. The inclusion of an advanced airbag system further enhances safety, providing peace of mind for both rider and passenger. The heart of the Gold Wing Trike remains its iconic 1833cc flat-six engine, which has been slightly recalibrated to suit the Trike's dynamics. This powerplant delivers a buttery-smooth power band, with ample torque available at low RPMs for effortless acceleration. The 7-speed dual-clutch transmission DCT is a standout feature, offering lightning-fast shifts and the convenience of automatic operation when desired. For those who prefer more control, the paddle shifters allow for manual gear changes without the need for a clutch lever. Honda's engineers have also optimized the exhaust note to provide a deep, satisfying rumble without being overly intrusive during long rides. Performance-wise, the Gold Wing Trike is no slouch, capable of reaching 60 miles per hour from a standstill in just over 4 seconds. While its top speed is electronically limited to 115 miles per hour, the real magic lies in its mid-range punch, making highway passing and uphill climbs feel effortless. The Trike's weight is distributed in a way that minimizes any top-heavy sensation, and the low center of gravity contributes to its planted feel on the road. Riders will appreciate the precise steering feedback, which strikes a perfect balance between responsiveness and stability. The suspension system, with its adaptive damping, automatically adjusts to road conditions, ensuring a plush ride whether you're on smooth pavement or tackling rougher terrain. When it comes to braking, the Gold Wing Trike is equipped with a sophisticated system that includes dual front discs and an integrated rear brake setup. The ABS is finely tuned to prevent wheel lock-up while maintaining strong, controlled stopping power. Honda has also added a linked braking feature that distributes braking force between the front and rear wheels for optimal balance. The Trike's wide rear tires provide additional contact patches, further enhancing braking performance and overall grip. Whether you're coming to a stop in city traffic or slowing down from highway speeds, the brakes inspire confidence with their consistent and predictable feel. Comfort has always been a hallmark of the Gold Wing, and the Trike version takes it to the next level. The seat is designed for all-day riding, with ample cushioning and adjustable lumbar support for both the rider and passenger. Heated seats and grips come standard, ensuring comfort in cooler weather. The ergonomics are carefully crafted to reduce fatigue, with handlebars and footpegs positioned to promote a relaxed riding posture. Wind protection is excellent, thanks to the adjustable windscreen that can be raised or lowered to suit different riding conditions. The cockpit is also designed to minimize buffeting, allowing for a quieter and more enjoyable experience at higher speeds. Technology plays a major role in the 2025 Gold Wing Trike, with a fully digital TFT display serving as the command center. The screen is customizable, allowing riders to prioritize the information they want to see, such as navigation, audio controls, or vehicle diagnostics. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration come standard, enabling seamless smartphone connectivity for music, calls, and turn-by-turn directions. The audio system is premium quality, with speakers strategically placed to deliver crisp, immersive sound even at highway speeds. Honda has also included a built-in intercom system, making it easy for rider and passenger to communicate without shouting over the wind noise. Storage capacity is another area where the Gold Wing Trike excels, with lockable saddlebags and a spacious trunk offering a combined 110 liters of storage space. The luggage compartments are designed to be weather-resistant, keeping your belongings safe and dry in all conditions. The trunk is large enough to accommodate 2 full-face helmets, making it practical for daily use or extended trips. Honda has even added clever touches like interior lighting and power outlets inside the storage areas, adding to the trike's convenience. For riders who need even more space, optional touring accessories like a top case or auxiliary luggage racks are available. Design-wise, the Gold Wing Trike is a head-turner, blending the classic Gold Wing aesthetic with the bold presence of a 3-wheeled machine. The front end features Honda's signature LED lighting, including adaptive cornering lights that illuminate the road as you lean into turns. The bodywork is sleek and aerodynamic, reducing wind resistance for better fuel efficiency and a quieter ride. Paint options range understated metallic finishes to eye-catching two-tone schemes, allowing riders to choose a look that matches their personality. The trike's wide rear stance gives it a muscular appearance, while the chrome accents and premium materials used throughout the bike reinforce its upscale vibe. Fuel efficiency is respectable for a machine of this size, with Honda estimating around 35 mpg in mixed riding conditions. The 5.5-gallon fuel tank provides a decent range, allowing for roughly 200 miles between fill-ups. The Gold Wing Trike's engine is designed to run smoothly on regular unleaded fuel, though premium is recommended for optimal performance. Honda has also focused on reducing emissions, ensuring that the Trike meets the latest environmental standards without compromising power or responsiveness. For eco-conscious riders, the efficient engine and advanced fuel injection system make this a relatively green choice in the touring segment. Maintenance and reliability are key considerations for any touring motorcycle, and the Gold Wing Trike is built to Honda's exacting standards. The engine is known for its longevity, and the Trike's components are designed to withstand the rigors of long-distance riding. Service intervals are reasonable, with oil changes recommended every 8,000 miles and valve inspections at 16,000 miles. Honda's extensive dealer network ensures that owners can easily find qualified technicians for routine maintenance or repairs. The company's reputation for durability means that the Gold Wing Trike is likely to provide years of trouble-free ownership with proper care. Pricing for the 2025 Honda Gold Wing Trike is expected to start at around $35,000, placing it in the upper tier of the 3-wheeled motorcycle market. While this may seem steep compared to traditional two-wheelers, the Trike's premium features, advanced technology, and unparalleled comfort justify the cost. Honda is also expected to offer financing options and extended warranty packages to make ownership more accessible. For riders who value luxury, safety, and peace of mind on long journeys, the Gold Wing Trike represents a solid investment. The expected release date is set for late 2024, with dealerships likely receiving their first shipments in early 2025. Honda has already begun teasing the Trike in promotional materials, generating significant buzz among touring enthusiasts. Pre-orders are expected to open a few months before the official launch, giving eager riders the chance to secure their units ahead of time. Given the Gold Wing's loyal fanbase and the growing popularity of 3-wheeled motorcycles, demand for this model is likely to be strong. In conclusion, the 2025 Honda Gold Wing Trike is shaping up to be one of the most compelling releases in the touring motorcycle segment. It combines the best aspects of the Gold Wing, smooth power, exceptional comfort, and cutting-edge technology, with the added stability and practicality of a trike. Whether you're a seasoned rider looking for a more relaxed experience or someone new to 3-wheeled machines, this bike offers something for everyone. With its premium build quality, impressive performance, and thoughtful design, the Gold Wing Trike is poised to set a new standard in the world of luxury touring. For those interested in experiencing it firsthand, visiting a Honda dealership for a test ride once the model arrives is highly recommended. The combination of its effortless handling, plush ride, and advanced features makes it a motorcycle that truly has to be ridden to be fully appreciated. Keep an eye out for updates as Honda releases more details, and get ready to embark on your next adventure with the 2025 Gold Wing Trike.